Hey everyone, want to combine data from multiple sources in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to blend data in Looker Studio step by step. Yeah, data blending lets you merge information from different sources into a single chart or report, giving you deeper insights without moving your data elsewhere. First, open your web browser and go to Looker Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the report where you want to blend data. Make sure all the data sources you want to combine are already connected to your report. Next, select the chart you want to use or insert a new chart into your report. In the Data panel, look for the Blend Data option and click it. The Data Blending Editor will open. This is where you'll choose the data sources you want to combine into a single dataset. Start by selecting your primary data source. Then click Add another data source and choose the second source you want to blend with the first. Now choose a join key. This is a common field that exists in both data sources, such as date, campaign, product ID, country, or another matching dimension. Using the correct join key is essential for accurate results. Next, select the dimensions and metrics you want to include from each data source. You can remove unnecessary fields to keep your blended data clean and efficient. Review the join settings and make sure the matching fields are correct. So if the join keys don't match properly, your charts may show incomplete or inaccurate data. Click Save to create the blended data source. You can now use the blended fields just like any other dimensions and metrics in your charts, tables, and scorecards. Finally, review your report to confirm the blended data displays correctly. If something looks wrong, reopen the Blend Editor and verify your join keys, field selections, and data source connections. And that's how you blend data in Looker Studio. By combining multiple data sources into one report, you can build more powerful dashboards and uncover insights that would be difficult to see otherwise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.